Find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 plus x square x by 2 minus 4 by x power 6. Now see, here the power is 1, it will not undergo any change. Here the power is 6. So if I expand this, I get many terms. I need only coefficient of x square. To get coefficient of x square, I will not write all the terms. I need to decide what all terms do I need. And how do I decide? Based on this. 1 should be multiplied with what? Such that it results in x square. 1 should be multiplied with x square, only then it results in x square. Now, x square should be multiplied with what? Such that it results in x square. It should be multiplied with x power 0, then only it will result in x power 2. Now, I need to find coefficient of x square and x power 0 in this. Clear? I need to find coefficient of x square and x power 0 in this. So, let us write separately, that is x by 2 minus 4 by x power 6. To find the coefficients, first we should write the general term. General term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. N is the power. X is inside the bracket, whichever term has got x in it, that you take. Here both of them has got x. I select this to be x. So the left out should be taken for y. You should not skip the negative sign. Okay. Now place in this. So you get 6CR x by 2 power r minus 4 by x power 6 minus r. Simplify this to the maximum extent possible. And how do we simplify? See. 6CR, apply the power to each. So that will be x power r by 2 power r. Here also apply the power. So minus 4 power 6 minus r by x power 6 minus r. Here it is plus 2, I did not put bracket. Here it is minus 4, so bracket is must. For negative sign, bracket you should put. Next, write all the numbers first, x at last. So that will result in 6CR. This I am writing before. 6 minus r by 2 power r, and here by x power 6 minus r. Now, I can simplify this by making use of the formula. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Bases are same, division, subtract the powers. So if I subtract, what do I get? R minus 6 minus r. Multiply with negative sign. So r minus 6 plus r. These are like terms, so it will be 2r minus 6. So now this changes to 6CR minus 4 power 6 minus r by 2 power r x power 2r minus 6. Clear so far? Now, I need coefficient of x power 2. On x the power is 2. Here on x the power is 2r minus 6. Equate both the powers to get the value of r. Equate powers of x to get the value of r. So that is 2 equal to 2r minus 6. Add 6 now. Such that this cancel out, 8 equal to 2r. Now divide by 2. So 4 equal to r. Replace r equal to 4 in that. what do you get? 6c4 minus 4 power 6 minus 4 is 2 by 2 power 4 into x power 2. Now put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be 15 x square. Okay, more. I also need to find coefficient of x power 0. So here it is 0, here it is 2r minus 6. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. So 0 equal to 2r minus 6. Add 6 now. This gone, 6 equal to 2r. Divide by 2. So 3 equal to r. Now replace r equal to 3 in that. So that will be, replace this here. So here before x square it is 15 and before x power 0 it is minus 160. When I multiply 1 times 15 is 15, x 1 into minus 160 is minus 160. These are like terms. So plus 15 minus 160 is minus 145 x square. So coefficient of x square is minus 145. Okay.